Hello, we are back for some more news and politics. And if you like what I'm doing, then come join me on Facebook at AU79 News and Politics. So now let's get to our story, which is from Niche Gamer, and it is about the Paris court saying that Steam users should be allowed to resell their games. That's kind of interesting. I think I've heard that there have been other countries that have made the same ruling as well. Okay, so the District Court of Paris has ruled that Steam users have the right to resell games they buy on the digital platform. In 2015, a case was brought against Valve's digital store by consumer group UFC. I don't know that. Federal Union of Consumers. What do choose? Okay, I'm guessing that's name. I don't know. Okay, with the primary concern being that digital games should be eligible for resale like physical games. Yeah, why not? Now, next in impact and these are games with an English translation appeared on our games on Reddit are reporting that the District Court of Paris has ruled that the Steam's subscriber agreement is in violation of European law. I'm assuming these are games. Might be wrong. That's okay. The judge cited a 2012 European Court ruling stating transactions of digital goods implying the transfer of ownership in all rights that come with it, despite the agreement being subscription-based. The court ruled that users were purchasing license, meaning that European Union law would apply, at least to Steam users within France and the European Union. Valve can no longer oppose the resale of this copy, even if the intended purchase is made by downloading. Initial purchase. Okay. 14 other clauses and terms in the Steam subscriber agreement were also deemed unwritten, a clause that is unfair and unlawful under EU law. This includes Valve being able to keep the contents of Steam wallet funds when a user leaves the platform. Yeah, I don't think that's right, and that users should be reimbursed when requested. They also state Valve should accept responsibility when a game from the platform harms a user, such as damaging the PC's operation. Interesting. Even if it is beta. In addition, the ways in which a user can lose access to the Steam library for poor conduct must be clear. As far as I know that there's a Russian guy who got banned from Steam, and he was going to court in Russia, and as far as I know, he was banned because he was saying bad things, and at times when I guess Steam moderator, I think it was that Steam moderators were threatening him with a ban. I think it is. He cited Russian law, and if I remember right, the guy had said that he feels that stating the Russian law each time got some people at Steam upset, but I could be wrong. But my opinion is that if you buy something digitally, I believe, yeah, if you buy something digitally, you can never be locked out of using it. Yeah, you should never be. Yeah, I think that if you buy something digitally, just like if it was physical, it is something that you can always you can always use, you can always play, uh, as if it was a physical game. With a physical game, uh, they can't ban you from putting it into your console, or into your computer. They can't ban you from putting the disc into. They can't ban you from money. They can't ban you from running the software from a physical media. And I feel that digital media needs to be treated the same way, where they can't ban you from running the software. Now, as far as interacting with people, I feel that is different. I feel that if they want to disable your ability to communicate with people, either on a big, if they want to disable your ability to communicate with people, like on Steam, with leaving reviews or even just sending messages, then so be it. I think that's fine, but I do not believe that they have the right to lock you out of what you have bought. Yeah. Okay. Where was I? Oh, yeah, where was I? I read that part. I read that part. Okay, I left off here. Okay. After another ruling stated that Valve must reduce its ownership on mods and user-created content. Yeah, it's not yours. You're just a hosting. You're just a hosting place. You're just a platform to host it. Due to the Steam Workshop and how the contents of some content can become official and sold such as with TF2. This is sure to cause some interesting reactions from Valve. I wonder what the reactions were. If Valve refuses to abide by this ruling within 1 month, it will have to pay a fine of 3,000 euros each day for up to 6 months. While this organization states it plans to take similar actions against other platforms, this could include the likes of Good Old Games and the Epic Game Store. Yeah, sure, but why not? Why not also go and why not bring the same suit against console platforms as well? Console digital stores. Valve still has the right to appeal. When was this done? 2019 of September 23rd. Okay. Just wanted to know the time when it was done. Although, yeah. I lost my spot again. We're almost done. Oh, here we are. Valve's vice president of marketing issued I don't know that word, a statement to PC Gamer, confirming this. We disagree with the decision of the Paris Court of First Instinct and will appeal it, of course. The decision will have no effect on Steam while the case is on appeal. This is not to be confused with the other EU-based legal battle Valve is currently involved with, where 5 other video game companies settled in a lawsuit over geo-blocking. thou chose to fight against it, fight against the antitrust case. So, what do you think? Sound off in the comments below. As he said, do it here as well. So, as I said, one of the things that I'm very concerned about is if you buy something on a digital store and you get locked out of it, I believe that you should never be locked out of using the software that you bought. I think that's very wrong. If they want to disable you from communicating with people, so be it. That doesn't bother me. But you should be allowed to be able to use the software that you bought. Okay, so if you liked the video, then give it a like. If you didn't like the video, then of course give it a dislike. And I hope you have a good day. And with this, I bid you adieu.